What is going on, airheads, and welcome back to video number 16 in our technical analysis series, how to become a master trader. This is probably the most important thing you can do, whether you are just starting off or an expert trader. I do this every single day. I know people who trade millions and millions of dollars who still do this every single day. You can learn and watch all the YouTube videos and read all the articles out there in the world, but unless you're putting it to practical use and practicing, it's going to do you no good. By now, you should have a pretty good understanding of all the things that I'm going to talk about in this video, because you've been watching it since part 1, where I set the expectations, best practices, through the EMAs, SMAs, chart patterns, talking about support and resistance levels, when we got into smart money concepts, risk ratio, stop losses. If you haven't, start at video number 1 in the description, hit that playlist down below, and spend time on them. This series is not meant to just be blown through video after video. In order to be an expert at anything, for example, surgeons, if they don't know how to use a scalpel, or they don't know where certain things are in the body, they're gonna have a tough time. You probably don't want them operating on you. If you don't know the ins and outs of everything I've covered in these videos, from RSI to CVDs, you need to spend more time on those. When I first started off, I would spend a week on a topic and read everything I could about RSI, for example. Well, I knew it inside and out. I'm not specifically talking about how to trade it either, but that's good to know. I'm talking about what it is. Without further ado, let's just get into it. Do me a favor, smash that thumbs up button, turn on notifications, subscribe, and let's just do it. Understanding price action and how the market moves, reacts, is the most important thing. That's why we do this. Price movement is detrimental, is the key to technical analysis. Understanding the ebbs and flows of the market is what makes us a better trader. So what better way to do this than to relive big price movements in both directions? If you want to be able to spot how, when, why, where, all that price moves, big swings, you want to catch it from a consolidation period to a breakout, what better way than to replay it, than to go back to before the price movement and analyze the charts that what led into the pump or the dump. My strategy for this is pretty simple. Now, I'm at the computer most of the time, so I'm watching this happen in real time. There's some days where I might step away or be done. I mean, that's the joys of being a boss and doing trading full time, is it frees up a lot of time. I might step away at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock rolls around, and the price dumps or the price pumps. So either the next day or that evening, I will sit down and I will hit this replay button right up here, top right corner where my mouse is, and I will rewind it to before the dump or pump, depending on the situation. And then I'm going to act as if this is live, so I can try to dissect and figure out what the indicators were saying, what the price action was saying, what the CVDs were saying that led to the pump or the dump. And I guarantee you there is something there. This is going to train your eyes. This is going to train and help develop your trading style and plan and be able to speak the language of the candles. This will give you an opportunity to play around and find it on smaller time frames as well. So we know that we already know, because it's already happened, that the price is going to go up and then it's going to dump. So we are trying to find confluence in the pump and the dump. You're going to want to use all the tools at your disposal that you use. You want to check it out in CVDs. Was there bear divs? Was there bull divs? What are the large orders doing? What are the spot orders doing? What are the market makers doing right now? On top of that, what's open interest look like? What's the sentiment going on right now? What's the volume? Where is the price in relation to open interest? You need to play around with this. You can mark out those wicks, those tops, right? Top. Mark out the bottoms. Put alt V's, so vertical lines before the breakouts, right? So you can see what happened, right? VWAP came up, money flow started coming in. We got some green dot prints. We bounced off the SMA on the RSI and we started pumping to the top side. On the Lux Algo indicator, you can see the money flow started turning green. And I bet you if we looked at things like CVD, open interest, those things started creeping up, spots, perps, all started creeping up. It's just, this is training yourself, training your eyes to be able to spot these things before they happen. That's the video. 5-6 minutes. You get the point. I'm not going to make this a long video and draw this out. I think you're smart enough to understand what I'm telling you here. Hit that replay button, replay the big moves that you missed from the day before or whatever. Go back. We know this has a huge dump right here. Look at the order books. See how the order books shaped up. Look at Trading Light, Trading Different, any of the order book programs out there. Look at the liquidity. Did orders get pulled that dampened the floor below us? Were there bear divs? What were the CVDs doing? What were the whales doing? You know what to do. You have to put in the work and put in the time. You have to get your reps in, just like with any other job out there, to become an expert. This is going to be the most important thing you can do. If you can figure out why price moved up before it moved up, you're going to be a better trader. If you can figure out and see maybe something was going on beforehand, that'll help you see future price movement. That is price action trading in a nutshell. But I promise you, that move was in the charts. That move was seen before it happened, whether it was on the CBDs, the order books, some indicators, something. There was a reason the price moved. Figure that reason out with every single move. Dissect every move going forward that you miss, and then you're going to become a better trader as a result. It's going to help train yourself to spot these moves before they happen. It's that simple. The hardest part is the mental game and sitting down and doing it every single day. Appreciate you guys for watching. Just want to make a short, sweet video, get you the replay tool, how important it is and how it can help you become a better trader. See you guys later.